Yeah, when I saw this Fanttik B10 Pro jet duster for the first time, I knew that it could be one of my smallest ones, most lightweight ones, and definitely one of the most beautiful dust blowers I ever had. But I didn't expect that it has so much power. By the way, I got this product for free from the seller, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. And so let's start from what we get here. By the way, it comes in this beautiful box, and so of course inside there's this jet blower. We get also this really nice carry and storage bag. Comes with a small instructions manual, but it's super easy to use. I found everything even without reading it, and we get 4 nozzles, which is definitely above average in this class. We get this high-speed nozzle, which allows for a lot of air coming out, so you can even use it to clean some leaves, dirt, dust from your entrance, or after a rain shower you can use this device to remove the water from outdoor furniture. And then we have this long nozzle here with this brush, super convenient if you need to remove some stubborn dust and dirt which is sticking on some computers, electronic devices, keyboards. That's an awesome thing. And then we have 2 rather narrow nozzles which could definitely help a lot to inflate even some stuff, air mattresses, these things. Usually we can't do that with most of the high-speed dusters because they can overheat, but here we have a lot of protection built in and even overheating protection, so we don't have to be worried using it even to inflate some stuff. And I'm not only saying that, we can definitely do that. So what's also awesome here is how easy it is to use. So here in the back we have this filter here which prevents from dust and dirt entering these jet blades, and here we have this switch with 2 levels, so it's turned off like that, and when we push this switch a little bit up, goes into first gear. And when I push even more, I hope you can still understand me, when I push even more, goes into second gear, and that's definitely already strong. And when we have it here on top in the second gear, I can push this turbo button to increase the airflow to maximum speed with up to 110,000 RPM. So I'll do that here quickly for you. So you can definitely hear the difference. And what I also like here is, compared to other air dusters, is how easy it's to use. Sometimes on other devices we have to double, triple press, long press, whatsoever. Here we just push like that and we have it running. And what's also super helpful and something which I've never seen before, that's this light, an absolute beauty of a light, which can help a lot when you have to clean inside devices like computer cases or so. And the tips are very easy to add. We align it here and then rotate it clockwise till we hear some kind of a clicking. Has then of course much better hold than all these magnetic nozzles which we see a lot. And so I can also prove that it has a lot of power, can push out a lot of air by inflating this balloon here. It doesn't work on the first 2 levels, but as soon as I hit the turbo button, you'll see it's definitely going to work. So I'll align it here inside, push here and press the turbo button. Yeah, absolutely amazing. But not only the air duster is very modern, even the charging cable or charging possibility is very modern. We get this USB-C charging cable, but it's not a standard traditional USB A to C. It's a very modern USB-C to C charging cable, but you don't have to be worried using the USB-C plug on any USB-C outlet of any USB power brick, because a lot of them have PD charge and then a lot of devices are not working. That's not a problem with this one here because it's fully supporting PD charge, also something which you don't see a lot. You have tested already a lot of similar air dusters, and that's definitely one of the best ones I've ever seen. There's no question about that. It's also not very loud. Sometimes with other jet dusters you can hear some very annoying whistling sound. That's not the case here. So absolutely awesome, top notch. And so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this jet duster or electric dust blower, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.